Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. Corbyn Besson, believe the first time here on Garden Guitar. I'm not sure there, but anyway, this one is called Love Me Better. And we had this mix of verse play with the notes and then some strumming the rest of the song here. So Corbyn Besson, nice song there, Love Me Better. Let's take a look at this one with the capo set here on the first fret. So with that, we have only 4 chords to handle here. That's what's going on. And let's go into the chords first. So we're gonna start with this bar chord, the F. So you place the bar on the first fret. Okay, so you cross all the strings there with your index finger, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. We have the next chord here, the G, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. A minor, so that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And then we have the C, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. So F, G, A minor, and C. That's what's going on here from the beginning till the very end in different settings here in this song here, Love Me Better. So we're gonna take a look first at the verse play. So the verse play is now notes, and we're gonna take the notes there chord by chord, starting with F. It goes like this. Okay. And I suggest you hold the fingers like I'm, so the index on the 1st fret E string, your middle finger here on the 2nd fret D, and your ring finger on the 3rd fret A, like this. Alright, and then you try to stay here with your middle finger on the 2nd fret D string. So for the next chord, the G, you stay with that and you go up to this position. Play that part, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on D, and 3rd on A. And then for the next chord, the A minor, you stay still here with the mid finger on the 2nd fret D string and play these parts. So that is open A, 2nd D, and 3rd A. And then you have the final part, the C left there, and it goes like this. So that is 3rd on A again. So that was the final note for A minor. So you just stay with that finger there. So A minor was there, and you start from there on the C. So you play that again, and then open G. And then you go to the D string and play 3rd D, 2nd D, open D, and 2nd D. I do that with a hammer on and pull off technique. So okay, so that will be pick the 1st, 3rd fret D string. Then I hammer on, or I just release it to get the 2nd. And then I release that one to get the open. And then I hammer on to get the 2nd back. So that's how it works. So just pick once there, the first time on the 3rd D string. And my fretboard hand does the work there, the rest of the work. So that is how you play the notes. So slowly it goes like this. Alright, so you play that for 4 rounds. That's the verse play. Then we'll go over to the pre-chorus. Now we're going to learn a strumming pattern. So if you go to the first chord, the F, one string around will be down, up, up, down. So down, and a short pause, and then up, up, down, like this. Down, up, up, down. that's a couple of rounds. So you're gonna play one string around per chord there in the same order. So F, G, A minor, and C. It goes like this. And you do that for 2 rounds, and that's the pre-chorus play. Then we have the chorus, and still the same chords, of course. That's what's happening in the song. No changes there, but now we're gonna play this part. Okay, so that is, again, F. You're gonna play 2 times more on the bass strings here, and then followed by a clap and the pause. So, and then you switch chord to next, G. Do the same. A minor, the same. And then you have the C left. You're gonna play down, down, clap, and an extra down in the end after the clap there. So, and then that is 1 round. You're gonna play that for 4 rounds. So 1 round into the second round to just get the how it continues. It goes like this. And so on. If you think that is, not the greatest way of playing this one, that is actually how its song goes, but you can also combine this with the same strumming pattern that you use for the pre-chorus. That will be more of a play and not just a clap, and kind of the music kills the music there and it just ends. So if you want to have more continuous sound and playing, use the same strumming pattern that you played for the pre-chorus, and just play like you play the pre-chorus in the chorus as well. That's one option. Otherwise, we have this post-chorus part that goes after the second chorus, and that is played in the exact same way as the chorus plays, so no changes there. You know, guys, that pretty much covers this song, Love Me Better, from CORBYN Besson there. So I hope you enjoyed this one, and if you would like to support me here, subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet, and like this tutorial. That would help me a lot. So thank you very much, guys, and hope to see you soon. Play tune.